Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have request REQ daily update. We are going to see the next price target, and of course before we continue, do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. You can either join Patreon/MindYourCrypto, buy me a coffee, or buildmindyourcrypto.com. You will get easy profits trading 200 altcoins through an automated system with buying and selling opportunities. You will know exactly when to buy and exactly when to sell. You will also get personal guidance every day, a manual system with over 90% win ratio, educational videos to become expert in the technical analysis and hold your future in your hands, market updates, random giveaways, buying scripts for TradingView, many other benefits. Thank you for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go to REQ. So right here you can see that we have REQ on the 4-hour frame. Okay. That means every candlestick contains 4 hours of price action. We had a nice pump right here, going up plus 16, plus 12%. We want to see though, where are we going? Can we go even higher right now? Or is this a moment where we are going to correct? First of all, let's see the 4-hour frame. On the 4-hour frame, we had a little bit of a bearish commodity channel index divergence with some lower highs right here, and you can see the price getting higher. But we did not have a bearish RSI divergence, which is a more strong potential and pattern. Okay, a bearish pattern actually. It is a more strong bearish pattern. So you can see right here that we have the RSI above the 70. We have though a high risk. Okay, so you need to be careful, and we are going to see the next price targets, but first let's go to the daily frame to see the risk metrics again. And right now you can see that on the daily frame, what we have is we do not hold a very high risk with the commodity channel index or a very high risk with the RSI, but at the end of the day, what we hold now is a high risk because we are on the 50-day exponential moving average. In the previous history, you can see we see the historical data back from 17 January 2022 for REQ. You can see that each time we were going to get past above the 50-day MA, we did not close above, and we had a huge sell pressure, and therefore we just dropped even more. On the time being though, what we have to do in order to say that we can get bullish again is to get past above this line right here, the 0.29, and to close above the 0.29. Okay, not only break it because we already broke it, but we need to close above. So if we make it, then yes, but we are going to see the next targets pretty soon enough. Let's go to REQ Bitcoin chart. On REQ Bitcoin chart right here, you can see that we outperform Bitcoin. Okay, but at the end of the day, what we have right now is we have gone into an overbought situation with the commodity channel index. Now it is above the 100. We have seen that quite a lot of times for REQ, especially right here for the commodity channel index on 25 November. It went at 668. Amazing pump. But at the end of the day, quick pumps often lead to quick dumps, and you can see right there, those that bought at the top will probably never be reaching the top right here again. I mean, anytime soon. Okay, we might reach that, but it will take tons of time. Okay, and it will take very long. At this moment right now for REQ against Bitcoin chart, you should be careful. We have an overbought situation with the stochastic RSI as well. You can see the blue line going above the 80, and we have the RSI going now maybe above the 70, maybe doesn't make it, and we drop down just like we had back on 17 January. Okay, so we are going to see the next price targets. What do we need to get bullish? Can we get bullish and go even higher? We are going to see everything. Okay, so on the time being, what we are going to do is to draw a Fibonacci retracement from this bottom right here back on 3rd February towards the top right now on 4th February, today. Okay, and what we need to do right now is that we have a very huge resistance level to break and to close above. The huge resistance level is this one right here, the 0.2914. Once we close above, we can go to the next targets, and then we will have a breakout maybe towards the 0.38, 31, 33 and 34. Maybe we go there, maybe we can get even higher, but we have one condition. We need to close above the 0.29. Else, this is a very huge risk. You can see if I go on the 1-hour frame as well, we have bearish RSI divergences. Okay, lower highs on the RSI and of course higher highs in the price. So you always need to be careful with these bearish RSI divergences. On the 4-hour frame, we have a high risk as well. On the RSI, only if we can close above the 0.2914, we can make it towards the next price targets. Else, what are the next support levels? We will drop towards the 0.5, 0.25, okay? From there, we might be having a pump up at the 0.25 or even at the 0.24. We might have a mini pump up again at these levels right here and maybe get up to the 0.27 or the 0.2652. Okay, so I'm going to have the price levels for the resistance levels as well. Okay, so what we are going to do, oops, I wanted to just delete this. Okay, here we go. So what are we going to do after we drop down is that we can go towards these levels. Or if we close above the 0.29, next price targets will be the 0.31, 33 and 34. REQ can go even higher because you can see when it decides to pump, then it breaks many resistance levels. But at the end of the day right now, what you want to do is to be careful, extremely careful. Now that we have a very high risk as well, you might get trapped right there. And with these pump and dump coins, you might not get the chance to sell anytime soon. Always when you buy these coins, put a stop loss. Put a stop loss so you just can protect yourself from extra loss. Okay, this is not financial advice, just my personal humble opinion, of course. And always remember, putting a stop loss will help so much. Thank you so much for watching. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription. Links in the description box and in the comment section. And of course, see you soon with many more videos. Bye.